what are the differences to evaluating LLM-powered systems instead of the underlying models?
So model evaluation tries to basically measure the overall performance of a model, or in this case of a large language model. And in order to do that, we need to evaluate these models across different tasks, subjects, domains, etc. The researchers have basically created different datasets or benchmarks, and we use these for determining if a new model is better than others. In LLM system evaluations, we are particularly interested in that specific task that the system should perform. If we are in the context of a RAG pipeline, for example, you want to measure if the answers that your system is giving are actually faithful to the retrieve context. If we are talking about a chatbot, then you want to measure or evaluate if the responses are actually helpful. Maybe it could be also the style of writing. Is this the style of writing that my users are demanding? So if you are someone building user-facing products that are powered by LLMs, especially in open-ended generation, then you are interested in system evals, because you need to evaluate like all the components that are in your system. It's important to preprocess the inputs that you are getting. So let's say that you are receiving a long inquiry, you might want to decompose that inquiry into smaller questions. You want to evaluate that process as well. Then let's say that you retrieve some context using those inquiries, and then you have a prompt and an LLM synthesizing that response at the very end of your pipeline. Again, that's another evaluation that you want to perform. And those evaluations are much more use case or task specific. That's why LLM system evaluation is very different from model evaluation.